day 67 and more plastering work. They've finished the garage wall plastering, this one rough plastering, and fine plastering tomorrow. Aside from the fine, there's actually one super fine version of plastering that is put at the very end before the first coat of paint. Let's see. We finished that. The bathroom and the service areas are all done. They have finished this back wall over here. That will be curing for tomorrow. Let's take a look here again. So there we go, that is done. We have this wall done. This one will be done tomorrow, I suppose. This one is done. The bathroom is complete. Same with these walls. This will be all filled with storage space, by the way, as well as underneath the stairs. So we'll go over the plan for that in a future video. And now going up to the second floor, what we've been working on is the angle of the ceiling and the roof. So what we've done is we have put a little fishing line, if you can see this fishing line here that I am holding. Okay, there it is. And we have actually had to put the fishing line 1 meter up from the ground, actually 90 centimeters up from the ground. So all we're doing here is we're replicating what the roof would be like on the second floor, because we've measured the distance of our maximum allowable up to that point there where you see there is a fishing line connected to, and from there we get the slope that that we would finish at. And what we have gathered from this is that by around this point right here, there will be no more clearance for your head. So that means that our usable space is about 1/2 the first front half of this house, and the back half would be all storage space. So we would have a lot of storage space. Okay, so the way this would work is that the stairs would continue along the same path going up to the third floor. However, it would terminate there, and that's the point where you would turn around and there would be a little hallway here. So we would be seeing right beside this rafter a small hallway or bridgeway that connects. On this side will be a balcony, and on the other side will be a theater room. Actually, the angle of the ceiling makes things perfect for a theater. Being that the high side is over here and the low side is over there, the TV and the speakers would go there, and then we would have a really great sound with the angle of the roof, just like a real movie theater. Has to do with acoustics and whatnot. Now, the other thing to note here is that since we will be having a bridgeway right there at this beam, this area up here will be open all the way to the very top of the ceiling of the third floor roof. Same with the front over there. And we will clad this area with the same cladding that we will be putting on the outside ceilings, which is basically some kind of wood or PVC wood. So that would look really nice and unified. All right, so once again, if we were on the second floor, you would see that the clearance of this fishing line goes till around here. That's still about 4 meters from this point to the very front of the house. More than enough to have a nice sized library or a theater as we plan on having. All right, this is where we at, day 67.